Today I'll be teaching us how to make a 3D wall frame. So this is the pattern we are going to make use of. I will send this to I'll put this in the group for us to get a closer look on how to achieve this. I will send a pictorial guide on how to achieve this. So this is what I'll be making use of. You can make use of Chiboard, the hard one, the 200 gram. You can make use of a cardboard paper also, but I'm making use of a gift bag that is very hard, so I just cut it out. So now, to achieve this, now I want the frame I'm making use of is, I want to make this, and you can see that this is 8.9 centimeter wide, while the length is 12.7 centimeter long. So now, after you've gotten the measurements, the 8.9, you can see it's 8.9 centimeter wide, while the is 12.7 centimeter long. That is the length. You now add 10 inches. So you know this 8.9, you add 10 centimeter, while this one you add 10 centimeter. So this 10 plus 8.9, you have 18.9 centimeter. While for this, the length, you have 22.7 centimeter. You can see this what you do have. So now you now cut this. So the length of the paper, the total measurement of paper you'll be cutting out will be 22.7 by 18.9 centimeter. After you've cut it out, then you now follow the guide to achieve this. But if you're making this the same procedure I did this, you do for this also. You just take your length and the breadth, then you add 10 centimeter to it. That is if you'll be working with centimeter. But if you're working with inches, you take your measurement in inches. Now this is 5 by 7 inches. Then you add 4 inches to both sides. What I meant was, since this is the length is 7 inches, so you add 5. No, you add 10. No, sorry. So okay, you will add 4 inches. Then the width is. So this is what I meant. If you're making for inches, since this is 5 by 7, 5 inches for width, then 7 inches long. You now add 4. You add 4, making 9 inches and 7, 11 inches. So you'll be cutting out 11 by 9 inches if you are making use of inches. Then you can see at the pattern I left, this space here, the lines you'll be cutting, if you are cutting for centimeter, to be 1.5, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you are making use, your measurement is in inches, you'll be cut in ruling 0.6 inches, 0.4 inches, 0.6 inches, 0.4 inches. So it depends on which measurement you're working with. I'll be working with centimeter. Mind you, I told you, if you're making if you're working with centimeter, you'll be adding 10 centimeter to your side. If you are working with inches, you'll be adding 4 centimeter to your sides, to all sides. So after cutting it out, this is what I'll get. So now start folding through the lines. I finished folding all through. I've finished folding. Make sure you fix your ruler on the line you rule. Make sure it's properly fixed. So now we'll be folding. Just watch as I do, as I fold. We'll be fixing this now inside this. You can see it's coming out nice. Now our frame is ready. You see? So now we want to fix our pictures. Wow, isn't it lovely? So now I'll be fixing, this is a double-sided tape. See, we use it to stick to the wall. And try to trim this if it's too big. Now we'll stick this to the wall and show us how it looks. So guys, this is it. My wall frame is ready. Yeah. Please make sure you do yours. Make yours. You can, like I said, you can make yours bigger than this. You can make yours smaller than this, just depending on the size you want. You can decide to apply gum on your sides if you want it to stick, because remember we'll be opening just one side to insert our picture, our image, whatever we'll be using. So you can decide to like glue the sides to avoid it from removing. So thank you very much, guys. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment, and always click on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in our next tutorial. For now, remain blessed. Bye.